I am the night sky. Each night I paint a canvas of wonder. Come, trace your story in the stars. Let me remind you how to shine, even when you're surrounded by shadow. Follow the trail of constellations. I've mapped paths for dreamers like you. My stars are not just lights, but lanterns of wisdom lit long before your birth. Stars shine in shades of blue, white, yellow, orange, and red, depending on their temperature. Blue is the hottest, red is the coolest. You can see up to 5,000 stars with the naked eye. In perfect dark sky conditions away from city lights, the human eye can spot thousands of stars all at once. The lighting choices we make can help protect and preserve our dark skies. Advice from the night sky. See the big picture. Be a star. Keep looking up. Don't be afraid of the dark. Stay full of wonder. Expand your horizons. Turn off the lights.